Imagine this. Every morning, you wake up, grab your bike, and hit the road. The wind brushes your face, the rhythm of your legs takes over, and for a few minutes, the world feels lighter. But here's what most people don't realize. Those simple pedal strokes, those quiet daily rides, are transforming your body from the inside out. Cycling every day isn't just a way to get around. It's one of the most powerful ways to rebuild your body, strengthen your mind, and even reshape your identity. Let's dive deep and uncover what really happens when you start cycling every single day. Number 1, your heart becomes a machine. When you first start cycling, your heart has to work harder to pump blood to your muscles. You might feel your chest thumping fast, your breathing heavy. But within weeks, something incredible happens. Your cardiovascular system adapts. Your heart learns to pump more blood with each beat. Your resting heart rate drops. Your blood vessels open up. Oxygen delivery improves. Daily cycling actually increases the size and strength of your heart muscle, lowering your risk of heart disease by nearly 50%, according to several medical studies. Over time, your heart becomes a well-trained athlete, even if you're not chasing medals, just pedaling through your neighborhood. Number 2, your lungs learn to breathe better. Every cyclist knows that feeling. The first hill climb, when your lungs scream for air. But keep riding. Within weeks, your lungs become more efficient. Your diaphragm strengthens. Your body learns to extract oxygen faster. You build greater lung capacity, and your oxygen exchange, the very process that fuels your cells, becomes smoother. This means you don't just breathe better during rides, you breathe better all day long, even while resting, sleeping, or talking. For people with mild asthma or breathing issues, daily cycling can act like a natural therapy, teaching your lungs how to perform under pressure. Number 3, your muscles transform, especially your legs. Here's something powerful. Cycling doesn't just move your legs, it sculpts them. The pedaling motion activates your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves, building strength without the heavy strain of weightlifting. And because it's a low-impact activity, cycling protects your joints, especially your knees, while still building serious muscle endurance. After a few weeks, you'll notice your legs feel tighter, stronger, and more toned. Your core muscles also engage constantly to keep you balanced, giving you a firmer stomach and better posture. So yes, daily cycling can quite literally reshape your lower body. Slimmer waist, stronger thighs, defined calves. All from something that doesn't even feel like exercise anymore. It just feels like freedom. Number 4, you start losing fat and keeping it off. Cycling burns calories fast, anywhere from 300 to 800 calories per hour, depending on intensity. But the real magic? It keeps your metabolism elevated even after you stop riding. That means your body continues to burn fat even while you're working, resting, or sleeping. Daily cycling teaches your body to use fat as fuel, reducing stored fat in the belly, hips, and thighs. And unlike crash diets or gym obsessions, cycling builds consistency. It's not a punishment, it's a rhythm, a lifestyle. And that's why it works long term. People who cycle daily are less likely to regain lost weight because their body becomes a fat-burning engine. Number 5, your brain gets sharper and happier. One of the most underrated effects of cycling lies not in your muscles, but in your mind. When you cycle, your brain gets a steady flow of oxygen-rich blood. This improves memory, concentration, and creative thinking. Neuroscientists say cycling increases the production of BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a chemical that literally helps grow new brain cells. But there's more. Cycling releases endorphins and serotonin, your natural mood boosters. That's why so many cyclists describe it as a mental reset. Every ride washes away stress, anxiety, and frustration. It's like meditation on wheels, a moving therapy session that reconnects you with your breath, your body, and your surroundings. So when you cycle daily, you don't just build physical endurance, you build emotional resilience. Number 6, your immune system gets stronger. You've probably heard, exercise helps immunity, but daily cycling takes it to another level. Research from the University of Birmingham found that regular cyclists in their 50s and 60s had the immune systems of people in their 20s. Here's why. Cycling stimulates your white blood cells, the soldiers of your immune army, to circulate faster and detect infections early. It also reduces inflammation and flushes bacteria out of your lungs. So every time you pedal, you're not just fighting laziness, you're strengthening your body's defense system. Number 7, your sleep improves dramatically. If you've ever struggled with insomnia or restless nights, cycling might be your miracle cure. Daily physical activity helps regulate your circadian rhythm, the natural clock that controls sleep and wake cycles. Cycling burns excess energy, lowers stress hormones like cortisol, and releases relaxation chemicals like serotonin and melatonin. Studies show that people who cycle at least 30 minutes a day fall asleep faster, sleep deeper, and wake up feeling more refreshed. And let's be honest, few things feel better than collapsing into bed after a good ride and drifting into peaceful sleep. Number 8, your joints become more flexible and pain-free. Unlike running, cycling is low impact, meaning your joints don't take the same pounding force. Each pedal stroke moves your hips, knees, and ankles in a smooth, circular motion, improving joint mobility and lubrication. It's why physical therapists often recommend cycling for people with arthritis or joint pain. Cycling strengthens the muscles around your joints, reducing stiffness and discomfort. So paradoxically, the more you move, the less pain you feel. Number 9, your skin starts to glow. This one surprises a lot of people. Cycling every day can actually make your skin look younger. When you ride, your circulation increases, bringing more oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells. At the same time, toxins and waste products are flushed out through sweat and improved blood flow. This creates a natural, healthy glow. And over time, your skin tone becomes more even, your pores cleaner, and your face more radiant. It's like skincare, powered by motion. Number 10, your energy levels skyrocket. If you've ever felt tired all day, even after sleeping, daily cycling might be your answer. It trains your mitochondria, the tiny powerhouses inside every cell, to produce more energy. In other words, cycling literally rewires your cells to become better at creating fuel. So instead of feeling drained by exercise, you start feeling charged by it. Your mornings feel lighter, your work feels easier, and your mood stays lifted throughout the day. That's why so many cyclists say, the more I ride, the more energy I have. Number 11, your digestive system improves. You probably didn't expect this one. Cycling stimulates your abdominal muscles and helps move food through your intestines more efficiently, which means better digestion, less bloating, and improved nutrient absorption. The gentle motion of cycling also improves blood flow to your digestive organs, helping your liver and stomach function more smoothly. So if you're someone who often feels heavy or uncomfortable after meals, a short evening ride can do wonders. Number 12. Your longevity increases. Studies show that regular cyclists live, on average, 5 to 10 years longer than non-cyclists. Why? Because daily cycling improves nearly every system in your body: heart, lungs, metabolism, immune system, and brain. It's not just about living longer. It's about living better. More energy, less disease, greater happiness. Every mile you ride today is an investment in a healthier, more vibrant version of you decades from now. Number 13. Your self-discipline and confidence grow. Here's something you